Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a closer look at Klarna and compare it with Revolut. In order to do so, here we are at Klarna.com and we're also at Revolut.com. According to Cider, Klarna and Revolut are both financial technology companies, but they serve distinct purposes and target different aspects of personal finance and payments. Here's a comparison of the two. Klarna primarily is a payment solution provider focused on buy now, pay later services. Klarna allows consumers to make online purchases and pay for them over time, targeting shoppers and e-commerce businesses. Revolut, on the other hand, is a digital banking app that offers various financial services, including currency exchange, global spending, budgeting tools, cryptocurrency trading, and stock trading. Revolut targets a broader audience, including individuals and businesses looking for a comprehensive financial management solution. Klarna offers multiple payment options like paying later or in installments. It works with a wide range of online retailers across various industries, enhancing the shopping experience. It provides a user-friendly app for managing purchases, tracking orders, and accessing personalized shopping features. It allows users to hold and exchange multiple currencies at real-time exchange rates. It offers budgeting tools, including spending analytics, insurance products, and investment options. It facilitates easy and cost-effective international money transfers. Klarna focuses on simplifying the online shopping experience. Users can easily browse retailers, manage payments, and track their spending through the Klarna app. Revolut provides a comprehensive all-in-one financial app that allows for easy management of various financial tasks. The interface is designed to help users track spending, manage budgets, and complete financial transactions seamlessly. Klarna is widely accepted by numerous e-commerce retailers, especially in fashion, home goods, and electronics. It integrates with many e-commerce platforms to enhance the checkout experience. Revolut, while it is not a payment processor like Klarna, it can be used for making payments which merchants might accept depending on their specific payment methods supported by their systems. Fees and pricing. Klarna generally charges retailers a fee for using its buy now, pay later service, which can vary based on the agreement with the merchant. Consumers can use Klarna services without direct fees if payments are made on time. Revolut offers several tiers of service, including a free plan and premium plans with additional features. There can be fees associated with certain transactions, such as currency exchanges above a certain limit, or international money transfers. Choose Klarna if you are primarily looking for a reliable buy now, pay later solution to facilitate online shopping with flexible payment options. Choose Revolut if you want a comprehensive digital banking solution that offers a broader financial services such as currency exchange, budgeting, and investing, along with the convenience of managing all your financial needs in one app. If you want to take a look at more of those, go ahead and check those out. If you are interested in using Cider AI, take a look at our link tree in the description, and there you'll find information on our upcoming Intro to AI webinars, as well as a discount code for Sintra. Use Skillcraft60 to get 60% off. You won't regret it. Take a look at Cider AI. You can click on the link there to get started. Take a look at EnzoBot as well. You click on those links, you'd be helping us out, and we would greatly appreciate it.